How's your Saturday going? We are in for an awesome weekend. We're going to have mostly sunny skies both Saturday and Sunday. Clouds are going to roll back in Sunday, and our next severe weather chance is Monday. It's going to be unseasonably warm, coming off one of a record hot February's. Heading into March, we're still above normal. There's a high brush fire danger, but the big story this weekend, the great weather, the warmth, the wind, the allergies. I know that's in there too, and the high fire risk. But the big story next week is a very, very active weather pattern. What's happening out there now and live? This is from the 612 interchange in northwest Arkansas. Some haze out in the distance on an otherwise mostly sunny start to the day here. Beautiful out there, isn't it? Hope you have some plans to get out and enjoy some of this wonderful weather. It's mostly sunny today and tomorrow, and that's going to make for some great time outside, especially for those of us who've been cooped up in the house. Seems like with all the cold or rainy weather we've had over the last 60 days or so. Let's talk about big picture. What's happening out there? This is a look at the surface charts. What you might be able to see here is that high pressure system, which is located, looks like it's just to our east southeast. So what's going to happen is this high spins clockwise. So we're on the return flow here. So we're getting south winds. That's going to push temperatures up. Big picture, you've got some rain showers that are ongoing out across parts of the east. That's with that low pressure system that we had moved through our area that zipped northeastward in the jet stream. And then on the west coast, of course, they've got a big system they're dealing with showers and even a few tornado warnings within the last week or so out there around central California. Here in the heartland, though, we're looking awesome. We've got clear skies out there. You saw it and what it looked like on the camera. Let's talk about what happens next. Well, we have these fronts that are going to be moving through. Let me see if I can get this lined up to give you an idea of when and what happens, right? So this is noon today, and the isobars that are really tight here indicate that we have some stronger winds picking up. So wind speeds will pick up going through this evening. Winds still increase. You have a trough that's just off to the west that's going to be moving eastward. There's also a dry line out there too. This is midnight. The dry line's that trough with the little bubbles on one side. And then as we head into Sunday morning, it gets closer. What I'm a little worried about here with that dry line, though, making a run east, anywhere west of that dry line, not necessarily us as much, but certainly as you get into central Oklahoma and parts of Kansas, I think that area is going to be under an extreme fire danger with the dry air and also those breezy winds. Here's Monday morning. That front starts to move in. You can see the low pressure. I think our best chance of rain is going to be Monday night to Tuesday. By Tuesday, this is Tuesday morning, everything pushes on off towards the east. Now, I do want to tell you, though, the Storm Prediction Center has us under a risk already for Monday. So this is the area we're focusing in on Monday for the chance for some strong to severe thunderstorms. We'll keep an eye on this, but I think Monday is going to be the day to watch for it. All right, so what happens next? Well, you can download the OzWeather app, and I'll push out notifications as we expect any kind of rapidly changing or imminent weather events coming up here in the next week or so. It will be active, and if we do live streaming like this, I'll put the links on there as well. I've redesigned the app. It's not updated now, but when there's severe weather, I'll change out all the buttons, and so it'll look a little bit different. And you'll be able to navigate with the weather that's out there and follow along with us here in Oz as we have these showers and storms entering the spring season. That's it for today's weather. Have a great afternoon. It's sunny out there, and it's going to be a wonderful Saturday.